Indian Property Acts are laws. You must know. Avoid costly mistakes. Welcome to our channel Proclee. Property Acts and laws in India. Know before you buy. Understanding Indian Property Acts and laws is crucial for a safe and successful property transaction. In this video, we break down the most important laws that affect property deals in India. 1. Transfer of Property Act 99. Manages property transfers in India, including sales, mortgages, leases, gifts, and exchanges. Special settings. It explains what constitutes a suitable alternative details, the rights and responsibilities of the donor and the donors. Outline the procedures for transferring real estate. Kushte Indian Contract Act 1872 explains how agreements related to property transactions must follow this law to be valid. Remember, every contract counts. Be sure it's legal. Covers how property transfers must be executed, protecting buyers from fraudulent transactions. Secure your rights. Transfer smart. 3. Indian Registration Act 1908. It discusses how property documents must be registered to avoid future legal complications. 4th, Real Estate Regulation and Development Act RERA 2016 explains how RERA regulates developers, ensures transparency and protects buyers from project delays and fraud. Transparency is key. RERA has your back. 5th, Local Building Bylaws highlights how local authorities enforce bylaws like building height, usage, and safety regulations, impacting residential and commercial properties. Bylaws build safety, don't bypass them. 6th, Land Acquisition Act 2013, right to fair compensation and to make vacancies in Land Acquisition, Resettlement and Immigration Act. Scope regulates the process by which land is acquired by the government for public purposes. Special settings. It ensures fair compensation to landowners. It relocates and resettles affected families. Mandates social impact assessments for major acquisitions. 7th, the Urban Land Ceiling and Regulation Rules 1976 establishes boundaries and limits on urban land use to prevent land accumulation and encourage equitable distribution of land. Special settings. It limits the amount of vacant land that individuals or businesses can hold in urban areas. New land should be given to the government. 8. Joint Ventures Act administers housing associations and housing associations. Special settings. It governs the formation, registration, and operation of cooperative building societies. It describes the rights and duties of the members of the association and its governing committees. It provides mechanisms for resolving disputes within states. Effect of laws and bylaws on property. 1. Legitimacy and protection. Proper documentation and compliance with practices and bylaws ensure legal authority and protection of property rights. Laws protect you. Ignorance can hurt you. 2. Transparency and accountability. Practices like RERA promote transparency in real estate transactions, protecting consumers from fraud and delay. 3. Fair compensation and rehabilitation. The Land Acquisition Act ensures adequate compensation and rehabilitation of government acquirers. 4. Balanced rental market. Rent laws protect tenants from excessive rent increases and arbitrary evictions and ensure their rights homeowners have. 5. Equitable distribution of land. Laws like the Urban Land Ceiling Act aim to curb land hoarding and ensure equitable distribution of land. Environmental and safety standards. Building bylaws and zoning regulations ensures that construction activities comply with safety, environmental and planning standards. 7. Dispute resolution. Statutes provide mechanisms for resolving disputes relating to property transactions, leases and joint ventures. It is important for anyone involved in the transaction or ownership of property in India to understand and abide by these rules. Stay informed, stay protected. Before you buy, give the laws a try. Protect your dream or watch it fly. Bylaws or fines. It's your time to shine. Property success starts with legal knowledge. Don't let hidden laws steal your dream home. Access all Indian property acts and bylaws in a single click at Proclee.com, India's first of its kind property verification portal. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share video for more tips on navigating the real estate world like a pro.